we are maintaining social distancing.
Yo guys, welcome back to our channel,
The Quirky 2!
Yo!
Today we, as you already know from the title, I will be letting my sister rate my shoes that I have shopped online from Street Style Store. Starting off, I have got 5 pairs of shoes and I'm going to let her rate it, and I might rate it as well.
Okay. Oh, I got a surprise for you too.
What a surprise!
I'll let you rate 2 of my things that I bought from this site.
Okay, so I am going to rate as well. So I've got 5 pairs. Let's start with the pair number 1. This is stay safe, guys. Use tissue papers and sneeze into tissue papers.
You don't have to literally show people what to do with that.
Okay, so the very first pair is this. It's a very beautiful polka dotty, something with to go on the ankle kind of sandal. I love it. How much do you rate this beautiful piece?
I'm already imagining it,
प्लीज प्लीज भाई ये सब मत कर यार.
wearing it with something, and this is like out of 10. You want me to rate it?
Yes, it's out of 10.
I think I would give it like a 7.
उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
How dare you disrespect?
7.5, 8ish.
Okay, 7.5, 8ish it is. The next pair that I have with me is this beauty. This a beautiful piece with a very thin strap was a little disappointing, but all in all, it's very pretty. It's a velvet.
Make sure you don't wear it during rainy season.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
Of course, thanks.
And I don't think I like it much because of the heel.
It's a veg.
I know the kind of heel it has. So I would give him like 6.57.
6.57. Okay, let me rate it. Okay, so this I'm gonna rate a solid 8 out of 10, and this even I'm gonna rate 6.5 out of 10.
अबे तो वही तो कह रहा था.
It's pretty, but still. The next one is
कड़ी जान वाला निकालो, कड़ी जान वाला निकालो.
मैडम आपका साइज आ गया है. So this is very pretty, very impressive because it's a daily wear kind
No,
of thing.
because it is nibbi वाला चप्पल.
करे पाव किलो के पाइथन.
Shut up. It's a pseudo denim. You know?
Nibbis wear this to college.
बहुत सहन कर लिया मैंने. अब बस.
It's alright. Whatever.
Nibbi.
So
It's
see,
called
this
nibbi shoes.
would go really well on what I'm wearing. My mom just got pissed off at her for making fun of my
It's a
choice.
nibbi shoes. Everybody knows it's a nibbi shoe.
ये चप्पल लेके हम आपको सन करके एक लाख मारेंगे. इसको वोट करो. I mean इसको rate करो.
4, 5.
She rates 5. I would rate this thing on the basis of its utility 7.
अरे तू जा रही.
I got it. Ew, ugly face. Okay. This is the next one. It's a good sneaker kind of thing, and I'm loving it. My first impression was, it's so bland, but it's a good one.
I think I can wear this for during rainy season.
Yeah, it has a very good texture. Please show it to them, Auntie Ji.
I think I'll use this for
Thank you. ये देखिए ऐसा है, so anything falls on it, you can just wash it off. So how much do you rate it? नजर मत लगाओ.
I think 8.59.
Oh, 9. That's nice. I'd rate it 7.5, 8. So we are done with almost everything, and the last shoes that we have
Again,
is a
nibbi shoes.
very pretty sneaker. Let me tell you guys, we'll get back to it. See, it's a very beautiful, ignore that. So this
season shoes, like we can't wear it in the rain.
Yeah, of course, because it's a velvety.
Yeah, so I think, you know, thinking about the purpose and everything, I think I would give it like 7.5.
Good. Even I rated 7.58. So those were my. Are we done with 5?
Yeah, I think.
Those were my 5 shoes, and I think it was a pretty good. Based on it, just costed me 1,500 for these 5. Considering it's 500 one piece, फिर भी 2,500 होता और मुझे 1,500 में 5 मिले हैं, तो it's a good catch. No regrets. I mean, I had the street style store thing come up very often on my Instagram. I was like, let's give it a try. And I told her, dude, इस पे offer चालू है, तेरे को चाहिए तो ले ले. And I don't know, she got it.
I'm a miser like that.
And other than that, they had a very simple packaging. No waste, nothing. It was just a box and a simple sellotape covering it. So yeah, I think it was good all in all. Let's rate her
I
chocolates and
think it's better
sandals.
you don't rate mine because whatever. Okay, fair. Let's
Maybe the Nebby scared now.
ओवर एक्टिंग के पैसे काटो यार इससे.
क्यों बे ओवर एक्टिंग करता है साला? ओवर एक्टिंग की औलाद.
50 रुपए काटो इससे. नहीं, 500 रुपए काटना चाहिए. नहीं रे,
पैसे तो कुछ मिलते हैं नहीं बैठने के. हाँ, 500 रुपया काटेंगे लोग.
तुम देते हो मेरे को बहुत पैसे.
शट अप, बेइज्जती मत करो. ये देखिए इस निब्बी का स्पोर्ट्स शू जो हम पहनते हैं पीटी ड्रेस के साथ.
You don't have to laugh for it.
How much did this cost you? I think around 300-400 for this shitty. I don't know, but it's a good one. Like, अगर मुझे ये denim के ऊपर पहनना है, I would wear it and I would rate 7 out of 10. Good to go. Oh, she has got another one. I would love to show you all that as well. Wait a minute. So this is another pair of shoe that she's got.
Hey, this is good, yeah.
Have you heard the poem The Crooked Little Man?
There was a lonely crooked man.
उसके जूते हैं ये.
No, this is a very awesome one. मतलब I very मतलब मैंने शॉर्ट for the first time बहुत गंदा लगा था, but उसके फिर पहन के दिखाया and I was like, oh, it looks damn good and all of us was wearing that.
Damn, baby.
So yeah, but see personally, I'd rate this. I don't know, कितना funny. I'd rate this 6.5, 7 out of 10.
Nobody asked you to rate it. हाँ ना, देखो हद तक.
वीडियो के स्टार्ट में जरा रिवर्स करके देखिए.
देख लेना. हाँ ना, हद करते हैं.
Really good.
मैंने बोला इतना भी मत लो यार. ये क्या रोज सेशन में बुलाया? पैसा काटो यार इसका. कौन देता है इसको पैसा? पैसा काटो इसका.
बहुत ही बढ़िया चॉइस है हमारे बहन का.
मेरी काम करी तेरे को वापस.
बहुत ही बढ़िया चॉइस है इनका. मतलब इनके फैशन सेंस का तो कोई जवाब ही नहीं है. नॉट sarcasm, genuine, honest compliment. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll put a link of Street Style store in the description. You all can go and check out all the offers. And yeah, we are also getting a few clothes from there, and I might make a haul on that too.
So if I ask you some questions, how do you like the product and what do you say, the quality of it?
Yeah, based on the price that they are offering it at, I mean, Patch, sandals, shoes and all those things for 1,500 is a good catch, right?
What do you think about the quality?
Quality is quite good. It's quite sturdy. मुझे लगा था बहुत flimsy होगा and the moment you wear it's going to break, but I mean just look at it. It has a very good sturdy stitch. Please टूटना मत. मतलब I'm telling you sturdy and वो हाथ में आ जाए. But नहीं, it's a good one. But it's very good. Even the shoes का quality थोड़ा सा I was expecting a different one, but it's good for the price.
So if in case if I ask you how much will you rate for
Street style store in general, I would rate the store.
taking into consideration that the quality, the products,
Price,
and
everything.
yeah.
I think an 8 out of 10. is a good to go. Like it's really good. Give it a try, guys, and let me know if you all liked it just like we did. What about you? Did you like your product?
So far, I think they duped me with a PT shoe, and then the boots
I really need to
good.
check the image. I don't know अगर इनके आँखों में कोई खराबी है या सच्ची में उन्होंने उनको डूप किया है dupe.
No, I'll show you. And but regarding the boots, I mean, if I see the boots are really good. I really expected it to be the same. I too liked it. So yeah.
Bye guys.
So please watching. Tune into a video. Fuck it.
For more hauls, don't swear. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed it. Tune in for more haul videos. Bye bye.
Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.